Hello all. Thank you for participating in QSI's Tech Talk for the topic of Tempo, an immersive content generation pipeline to help augment Marine Corps schoolhouse maintenance training material. This SBIR is funded by the Office of Naval Research, or ONR. Qualtech Systems Incorporated is a small business located in Connecticut. We have been in the business of integrated diagnostics and prognostics for more than 30 years. Our core product, TEAMS, short for Testability Engineering and Maintenance Systems, forms the basis of various solutions spanning design for serviceability, remote health monitoring, embedded diagnostics, and guided troubleshooting. Our customer base includes government and commercial customers. The main requirement stemming from the solicitation was the need to automate most of the immersive content generation process without needing expert 3D programmers or graphics artists to render scenes. This meant leveraging existing material such as two-dimensional images found in schoolhouse training material and leveraging sophisticated vision-based AI/ML techniques to convert them into 3D models. And all this needed to be compatible with e-learning systems such as Moodle. Some of the immediate users of this technology are the Marine Corps schoolhouses that teach maintenance and troubleshooting to see improvements in the learning outcomes of students. Specific improvement metrics include increased use of immersive content in the schoolhouse, reduction in time to generate immersive content, etc. Other potential recipients of this technology include commercial industry, such as advanced manufacturing, that have similar needs to reduce the time it takes to train technicians to be expert maintainers. The main motivation for this effort was to realize the U.S. Marine Corps' vision of a broad application of immersive maintenance training in a classroom teaching environment. And while doing so, the USMC wants to improve upon the current methods of relying on expensive CAD and 3D modeling software that require significant software development time and graphical skills. The key enablers for this vision are advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning that could be used to convert 2D images from schoolhouse training material into 3D models. The solution developed by QSI is a generative AI-based 3D object sourcing pipeline that enables schoolhouse instructors to generate immersive content without relying on outside contractors for their 3D modeling services. The training products created from this pipeline do not require any special hardware and are accessible over the web. During the first year of the base period of this SBIR effort, QSI, along with its subcontractors, implemented a 2D image to 3D object conversion pipeline using novel, generative AI techniques and large vision models. We are currently in the process of optimizing the conversion process by performing various scalability tests and domain-specific tuning for adapting the pipeline for the U.S. Marine Corps' training use cases. QSI is currently pursuing a transition opportunity into the Enterprise Ground Maintenance Training System, or EGMTS, program of record, which seeks to modernize the schoolhouse training via immersive capabilities. The key benefit of QSI's immersive pipeline is that it does not require outside contractors for generation of content. Quantitative metrics to measure the effectiveness of this pipeline include the amount of time it takes and the costs incurred to generate 3D content in-house versus using outside professional services. The SBIR is currently funded through the SBIR office at the Office of Naval Research. As mentioned before, the Marine Corps Training Command, or TCOM, wants to field the immersive capabilities within the next couple of years through EGMTS program of record. The ultimate goal is to transition this technology into EGMTS so that we can begin fielding this technology to various Marine Corps schoolhouses, such as MCES, MCCSSS, and MCCES. QSI's analysis of the market suggests that this technology could be applied to a wide range of applications spanning military training service technicians in the energy, healthcare, medical, and manufacturing industries. The immediate need is for a Phase 2 option funding that will enable QSI to continue enhancing the 3D model conversion pipeline into a TRL-6 product for use at the schoolhouses. We are also looking at secondary transition targets, including commercial industry that develops complex electromechanical machinery, such as manufacturing, aerospace, etc. Thank you for tuning in to hear about the immersive content generation effort. QSI is available to answer any questions you may have about this technology. We would be happy to hear about your challenges and use cases, and how our technology could potentially address those. Please reach out to us at the following emails.